It sucks. I'm sweating. Alrighty, Logan dropping in 10. Never doing that again. Took me years to get up there.